Today we are going to do the basic of the basic brown eyeshadow look. For the lid, we have Moon Dust. For the crease, we have Macchiato, corner, Chimea River, and for the smoke, we have O Fudge. Now, Moon Dust is a classic, meaning it's been here since the very beginning. It is such a pretty nude cream, meaning it's not pink, it's not orange, it just has a really nice soft cream tone with the tiniest bit of shimmer. And then for the crease, we have Macchiato. Also very good for a light to fair skin tone as a crease color, as it will not pick up too much pigment and it gives a nice setback and a very neutral tone. For the corner color, I'm using Chimea River, which is a couple of shades darker than Macchiato, but also very neutral, just giving a little bit more depth to this look. Before I smoke the look, I'm going to line with Espresso Brown. As you guys know, I normally use black, but I'm trying to keep this really soft and neutral, so I am choosing something a little bit lighter. When you apply the liner, you just want to give it a little kick up at the end to lift the eye versus dragging down, and then slowly taper it off, keeping it really close to the lash line, and also going from the underside and tapping in between each lash to hide the pink skin, making your eyes look more defined and pop. Then I'm going to go in and lightly smudge and soften the line with O Fudge. This color is great if someone wants a smoky eye but doesn't want it to get too dark. This color is not going to pick up a lot of pigment, but it will smooth the transition from your liner to your lid color. Then I use concealer to sharpen everything up, so it looks nice and defined and clean underneath. Then I curl my lashes and I add a coat of infinity length mascara. That way you can see my hair and I don't look like a bald eagle over here. So if you have a smaller eyelid and you're looking for something neutral that'll go with everything and make your eyes look bigger, this one's for you.